So check this out. I was asked the other day about YouTube, Instagram. You always hear people talk about growing their channel, this, and the third. I was like, yo, if you want to get into this YouTube game, Instagram, and this is coming from someone who's still learning every day, there's no shortcuts. You just go out there, you grind. You have no choice but to grind. You can't expect followers to follow you left and right. You have to go out there and get them. Then word of mouth, it becomes a pattern. Like, my journey has become a pattern. I'm on that grind every day, promoting, getting cussed at, everything, rubbing shoulders, networking. I do it every day. And when you do it every day and you put in the work, guess what? The results come. That's it. You want to build your channel, Instagram, YouTube, go out there and you grind. That's it. No excuses. You go out there, you grind. That's it. I don't care if your video gets 1 like, 2 likes, who cares? Somebody's watching that video. And you just gotta keep that mindset and don't let that throw you off guard. Just keep going. Yes, you're gonna have those days where you'll be like, dang, this, and the third, but guess what? Don't stop. Keep grinding. That's how you build your channel. There's no shortcut. But hard work, that's it. As long as you believe in your craft, who cares what everybody else thinks? There's somebody out there that's going to believe in your stuff too. So at the end of the day, don't give up. Keep moving and grooving. All right? Kool Zone out.